Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. And now me know say 13th of May 2020. Not on 13th of May 2020, anopa about around 8:30. Coronavirus cases in the country as of 13th of May 2020 are 5,100 plus. Not just say you came 4,000 just within in less than a week. You free 3,000, era 5,000. Una senya ye this speed air pono etiefo eni ya yenyan. Na me mamoti ase say me no coronavirus yi. What I don't like and say aban empenyufo bi at the year politics. Meanwhile, say NDC nso ba bonte the year politics but na aban ya ba bonte ye ka say ma politicians no speak on sa coronavirus yi. But aban kasa nkrofo at the year politics. Di ntia na me kasa sa. So wobekaya Embra president Ghana what the lockdown eba no. We had about just around 20 something cases and a president declared lockdown in Accra and Kumasi. Cases they do 1,000 and a release lockdown no. Everyone seven prayed yasa. What an answer Edwin assembly who said that be say lockdown na ya left no at your how ebeba. But you see what the politicians came to tell us, they say, oh, abana yenhwehwemu and due to the science and data aban krano womo hu ne say lockdown womo release ya sebe and womo release ya yawe no enkosoro sa and a president beka train. It was clear politics. And the finance minister Mayati said the real reason why the lockdown was lifted. Now the what can I say after 3 weeks of lockdown Ghana's economy could not hold it. But we weren't told this. Finance Minister pulse.com.gh news or say our economy couldn't withstand lockdown beyond 3 weeks. Not just a Ghana economy no. Yeah lockdown no. Na Ghana economy no tete enu hunti na was say ye man krofo pie ekoyo mo adwuma. And so we knew at the back of our head say yare no ebekosro. Now so e san say na economy na tete nti. Won be bia politics edin edru. Won be bia politics edin edru. Ba omia beba be have a lecture. Na wa catch Ghana for and they say Mahama essay economy no yenya bae no ya be economy ni ye. One to say ba omia kasa asem no. One to say workers asem no. And we are resilient. We've built a resilient economy. Into resilient economy and a 3 weeks keke. Economy no egu enu hunti. Ne was say Ghana ye be lockdown no ema yare no a quadruple. Ye be lockdown no how long ago? And the case is 5,000 and still counting. Into ayako ye say Ghana no ye pa ye mpeo. Masa lockdown emba. Yare no sra na ebeko. That is what we are getting. Now, me say me reading Sembia finance minister what the two ja. Me chere say wo my way mu. Se bibi be bo or my way ya. One politics. Politics inti yan kan kre. Politics inti ade ye say ye bi. Politics inti wonim say Ghana economy mo ba so no. Yes. Enhye dan ye papa sana so politics inti na ye ka economy no ye meanwhile ye Ghana for the claim say ye bottom no enhye dan ye papa sa now so ye beka politics into ubenya minister aba begina Ghana for anim aka say oh okoto brode bebre 3 cities 5 cities blatant lies ye nim say ende enyama boa ye den me see me ko krom me koto pair common pair kitikiti bi o se ba ko 5 cities ka tell say ye won fa na de ekutuo Baako was 1 cedi. Na so politics inti ubenya minister ba begina Ghana fu ni meka na nsenka na nya enye minister bia nso a Greek minister wo bia eye ne sector. O se na nsenka na nya maboaye fo e wo Ghana. Mi wo ye ni enim se Gary Olonka e free 15 cedis e ko be 30 cedis. Na so ye say ye nka politics inti ni ye twantro And the finance minister now Babonte became the real reason why the lockdown was lifted. You see? And so what the president was telling us, and due to the science and data, our no president, but you see, me can't now see hey melodies there, but you see, I told you, President Nankasaka said most of Ghana your cases no asymptomatic. Your case cases asymptomatic. Not just a nipa kono wo ya really kra Ghana and no nyasema president ne kan say most of your cases no asymptomatic. Just say wo ya re na won bowa won hintin won just say won show fever kra we hu say wo ya re na, and that one is very dangerous. Inti wo man most of the cases no asymptomatic no. You are not even supposed to lift the lockdown. But you see, the president told us that and then again lifted the lockdown. I came here and told you guys, Masa, the president now cannot, to me, no, I don't understand. Because on my cases, he is symptomatic. Not just say, we'll be in Yariano, into one chrome crowd who saw Yariano, and they were the best saying for into then there was a lifted lockdown. Hey, me can't answer no, it was me WhatsApp, but hey, and they say, Masa, me WhatsApp so me wo MPP mpanyinfo pan wo WhatsApp ne so masa and ye send am crofo di batemenye easy and ye o de bia de o person o twese ho kwa wo nya assistant president no me say ye Mahama na ye say ya na ke nia ye di na tem say Mahama ye incompetent and say say Akufo-Addo darling man ono na ye nti na wo bia ye kom. Today let's read what the finance minister is saying. Also, when you look at what happened during the lockdown, it was quite clear after a point that given the 90% of our population is informal and they go out each day to earn wages, it became increasingly impossible to continue with such a policy. Also, when you look at what happened during the lockdown, it was quite clear after a point that given the 90% of our population is informal and they go out each day to earn wages, it became increasingly impossible to continue with such a policy. Finance Minister Nekasano was say we share lockdown the buy na we share Ghana about 90% of Nkrofo e was say we pie koye adwuma no dididi nti e be ye den say our policy no we will continue. So the policy was lifted. Hey. The policy was lifted. So those of you who were arguing, say, Annie, the move by the president, why you say, today we are getting the real reason why. It was because economy not near show say they break it down after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks. And then we were told, resilient economy, our economy is now resound. And the brofwa can see na baumia, eka. And there you brofwa kesia baumia and the economy na ye say ya ha inti asem no emu no krepani asem ni mu no kre eno na finance minister ne dia aba say masa na Ghana ye ko na sike ni ho yeah me catch madam for be say it was always going to be a battle between the economy and coronavirus. So you had to choose one. And so if we chose lockdown initially, we've made a point. Today you accept the fact. Embra president lifted lockdown no. Nkrofo wa Twitter, they were all jubilating. So Twitter influencers no. Bibrena were jubilating say sisi ade Akufo-Addo moniyo endra ba ko bi asem obetro and say you lifted lockdown no, over 4,000 cases aba ho. Perhaps lifting of the lockdown wasn't really a smart move. You see, now we know the real reason why the lockdown was lifted. Now we know the real reason why the lockdown was lifted. As someone may make and say, politicians should always be truthful to Ghanaians. Why am I saying this? You see, because the NPP government painted a picture say womo build the economy ni is strong ninti saa same way a womo ken Ghana for bebre e di omo atem say inti lectures anaba mia ye work say hey ya build the economy ni and after 3 weeks pe mo ka say economy ni am build no after 3 weeks pe egu and then that yet say economy no it will take 3 years to recover. Just after 3 weeks economy ni go 3 years and they be recover. Hey, and the economy am mo ka say mo build no. You see, na come Ghana for ehun assembly mu no cre. Say assembly there saying that Ghana your economy no enye emboa sana. We all understand. And see, sir, economy ya say we no and say total country they can call lockdown. Just 2 major cities, Accra and Kumasi, and 2 major regions. No, and yet the whole of Kumasi, and then the whole of Accra. Into Accra and Kumasi Peru. Just 2 major cities. And the can say and no economy no I say no. Just 2 cities. And then you tell us you've built the economy. Just 2 cities. I call lockdown 3 weeks. Eh? You say Ghana economy and came to me holdy. Here, politicians just tell us the truth. Forget about the re-elections. Now, Ghana for yes remo, ya the koto sre esremo. Send your economy no enyeno yes remo. Ya lockdown na be high. Inti just a mom boy by you see you were bigging up yourself and you've built economy, so you couldn't even come out to beg us. Say economy ne nyenti lockdown na be high. Affairs of Finance Minister Edibetuja. Affairs of Finance Minister Wode Ebetuja will be say, thank you for saying the truth, Honorable Minister. People don't understand, but it is not easy at all for any administration to endure a workless situation. Will be say, thank you for saying the truth. So why didn't you tell us this earlier on? Coronavirus and bar, nanga still campaign promises enam. Ni eka and the economy ya building no papa economy ne 3 weeks of 2 major cities eko under lockdown and you see economy ebui obi so asema we obi say hey so our robust and resilient economy is this it so asema na make no bravo about me you so no the economy is robust and resilient economy is robust and resilient just 3 weeks. And I see a break it down into no Yamagana Fombra and Nunti coronavirus air cost Rosano. Obviously, but Nana said they know how to bring broken economy back to life, but not human life. Cheap say we home. Ebe Kufuado Eddie lockdown about Kase. We know how to bring the economy back to life. And that year, you see economy ninti. Politicians home. Politicians. Me say me MPP ni NDC. Womuni na aye pe. Woman will be saying former president has been cleared by finance ministry about Ghana's economy, which Baumia lies about. What they Ghana for can. So I am not the only person even saying this. Ghanaians all over can. Hey, won't try more why.